Our quality defines who we are and how we do it. So there's no lower standards with us. But it all comes down to the details and the quality that we do. You know, it just makes us who we are. Because our quality is who we are and how we do it. We're great at what we do. That's why we take our time to make sure that we don't do cut corners or, you know, skip any step that we need to do. Oh, it feels great, you know, being able to see the finished product, being fully equipped and they're ready to get going on their journey. Well, our quality is who we are. You know, our quality defines who we are as a team, you know, without cutting corners, and there's no lower standards from us. It's gonna have to be the finished details. You know, we can build trailers, we can do many things, but it all comes down to the details and the quality that we do. You know, it just makes us who we are because we're great at it. We're great at what we do. We have a great team, we have great staff. From production to engineering department to customer service, we are all one and we work together to bring the best for you.